Hi, in this video we'll learn how to multiply two binomials. Now there are a couple of ways to multiply the binomials, but in this video we'll learn how to multiply them using FOIL method. FOIL is F-O-I-L, where F represents the first terms, O represents the outer terms, I represents the inner terms, and L represents the last terms. Basically, we need to identify the first terms, outer terms of each binomial, inner term of each binomial, last term, and then multiply them together. Well, the first term of this binomial is 2x, and the first term of this binomial is x. So we have 2x and x, we're going to multiply them together. So 2x times x, that will give us 2x squared. Remember, when you multiply the same basis, exponents get added. Now let's identify the outer terms of each binomial. The outer terms are 2x and then positive 3. Notice how they're on the outer edges. That's why they're outer terms. So 2x from the first binomial and then 3 from the second binomial. 2x times 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and then we have an x along with it. Now let's identify the inner terms or the inside terms and then multiply them together. So inner terms are on the inside of the binomial. The inner terms are negative 5 and x. Because notice how they're on the inside. That's why they're inner terms. So negative 5 times x will give us negative 5x. And then last terms of each binomial. So the last term of this binomial is negative 5, and the last term of this binomial is a positive 3. So negative 5 times positive 3, we'll put negative 5 times 3 is equal to negative 15. So now we're done multiplying all the terms using FOIL. Now we'll add all the terms and then combine like terms. So let's start with 2x squared because that's the highest exponent that we have, 2x squared. Then I have a positive 6x, then negative 5x, and then negative 15. Notice that these two are like terms, so we can combine them. We'll write 2x squared. 6x minus 5x is 1x, so we can just put x instead of 1x, and then minus 15. So my final answer will be 2x squared plus x minus 15. And when you write your final answer, you have to make sure that your answer is in standard form. That means the terms should be written in the decreasing order of the power of x, like we have x squared, x, and then this one doesn't have any x attached to it. So I hope you find this video helpful. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel and want to see more videos on other math topics, be sure to subscribe down below and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.